Hello English learners, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So guys, how many of you wake up and think today will be a good day? You pray, you get ready, you leave home with full hope and a smile. You believe today only good things will happen to me. But then bad luck hits. Something goes wrong, your mood gets down, your positive mind becomes negative. And yeah, this happens with everyone, even with me. And yeah, it happens to everyone. I have experienced, like you have also experienced this, and I have experienced this. And this is the game of life. I hope you understand what I want to convince you. This is the game of life, and we have to win this game. And why does this happen? We leave home with a positive mindset, but the situation around us makes our mind negative. So this is normal. This is very common. This happens to all of us, right? So guys, like you want to learn English, you think that everything is going to good, I will learn in a month, in a week, but no, you can't. You stuck, and negative thoughts hits you and you give up, you quit in the middle, right? So guys, in this video I want to tell you that how to develop a strong mindset, because I was reading somewhere and it's really good to share with you all. So, how to build a strong mindset? Whatever you want to learn, if you want to learn English, if you want to learn cooking, swimming, whatever you want to learn, so a strong mindset. Having a strong mindset is very important because it helps you to achieve your goals, right? Because if you don't have a strong mindset, it is not going to get you anywhere. It's obstacle in your success journey. So strong mindset is very important. So today in this video I want to talk about how to develop a strong mindset in my broken English way, because I love my broken English. Yes, I make mistakes. Yes, I make a lot of mistakes in while speaking English, and but yeah, I am proud of myself that yes, at least I am speaking English. Doesn't matter I am making mistakes. Doesn't matter my English is bad. Doesn't matter what my accent is. Only matter yes, I am speaking. I am trying. Yes, I am not giving up. I am not quitting. At least I am speaking. I am trying to speak. I am trying to learning. I'm trying to learn, right? So yeah, so I'm going to talk about how to develop a strong mindset in my broken English way. So it's going to be very fun and interesting video. So guys, please don't skip this video and watch this video, and it is going to be very helpful. And yeah, if you identify any mistakes in my broken English, you can tell me in the comment section. Comment section box is always open for you guys, so please let me know in the comment box, and let's improve, let's progress together. And yeah, so guys, how to develop a strong mindset? So let's talk about this. First I think accept expect problems. Yeah, strong people don't expect every day to be perfect. They expect problems. So when problems come, they are ready. They are already ready, so they don't get shocked, right? So yeah, expect problems, it is good. So you already have to fix your mindset that yes, today is not going to be a good day. अगर मैं बाहर जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी तो कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ज़रूर आएंगे मेरे रास्ते में, तो मुझे उसे टैकल करना है, तो पहले से ही अपना माइंडसेट बना लो, राइट? सो या, दिस इज़ द नंबर वन, And let's talk about number 2. I think we should control our reaction. Like, you cannot control the rain, traffic, or people, their behavior, right? But you can control your reaction, your behavior. So, guys, just take a deep breath and say, okay, this happened, it's okay, and accept this, right? You can control your reaction, so try to control and don't panic. It is going to happen, so that's it, no problem. Third is how to develop a strong mindset. Third, I want to say, talk to yourself. Yeah, I read somewhere, yeah, it is very good, and I also experienced this. When your mind becomes negative, and just be your best friend that time, become your best friend and say, yeah, this is just one bad moment, not a bad life. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, I'm still progressing, I'm still in the way. No problem, this happened, no problem, God is here, God will save me, I will save me, I have strength, I have courage, I am brave, I can fight this. Right, so be your best friend that time. So in this way you can develop your strong mindset. I am saying right? Please let me know if I am saying wrong or right. Please, please, please. So yeah. Next, I think we should practice patience in order to develop a strong mindset. We should practice patience and remind ourselves that some things take time and it will be worth the wait. Yeah, some things takes time. Not you are not going to be fluent in English overnight. It will take time and it's okay. Be patient. If you keep trying, one day you will learn this language. One day, like, my YouTube channel is growing slowly, so I have to be patient. That, yeah, I still have hope that okay, one day I will got monetize my channel, and whatever I have dreamed, I will complete, I will achieve my goals. Like, my goal is to monetize my YouTube channel, but yeah, it is taking time. It's okay, it's okay. So I need to convince myself, right? And next, I think, in order to develop a strong mindset, never give up. Never. Just remember, everything you experience is temporary, and greatness and blessings are waiting for you on the other side. And I think, just remember, life will test you, and it's life's job. Life का ही job है, वो आपको हमेशा टेस्ट करेगा. And what is your job? Your job is not to quit. Your job is to keep walking with hope. Okay, so this is all. I think in order to develop a strong mindset, we should remember these things, right? Yeah, my English is not that much good. Yeah, my English is broken, but my message is clear, guys. My message is clear, and my message is, a strong mindset is not about having no problems. A strong mindset is about facing problems and still moving forward. That is a strong mindset, my dear friends. So today, if something bad happens, just a smile and say, yeah, I expected this, and I am stronger than this, I am brave, I can fight this, I can tackle this. So yeah, this is all. You are not alone. We are all playing this game together. Everyone faces this. You are not alone. So please don't panic, and just develop a strong mindset, and you are good to go. Just say, I'm strong, and yeah, you are good to go. Okay, so yeah, that's it. My English is broken, I know, and but I am sure you convince what I want to say, what I want to give you message. So this is all. So yeah, this is all, and this is all the part of my English practice. Okay, so please, guys, subscribe to my channel, support my channel, and help me to achieve my goals. I want to monetize my YouTube channel. I am just doing myself better. So that's it. Thank you. Keep doing, keep learning, don't give up, and all the best. Bye bye.